In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access, security and privacy. Then tap on lock screen, click on screen lock and tap on one of those locking methods to apply a perfect one for you. PIN, password or pattern. Then create it. Select continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit confirm. Last but not least, adjust the lock screen notifications over here. And when you finished, tap on done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!